Welcome back to VanGrit, where automation meets professionalism and code snippets offer a polished touch. Delighted you're back to explore the quirks and features of automation with us. Ever wondered how to master the art of UI test automation? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're uncovering the intricacies of UI test automation, its significance, immersing ourselves in the world of automated testing and the best practices that make it tick. We'll also explore popular tools and demonstrate hands-on examples. Dive right into the types of UI tests that form the foundation of a robust testing strategy. Understanding the different types of UI tests is the first step towards mastering UI test automation. Let's move forward. First up, functional testing. This is all about ensuring your application operates as expected. Think of it as a thorough checkup for your app. Next, we have regression testing, a crucial type that ensures new changes don't break existing features. Regression testing is a type of software testing that ensures that recently developed or updated code does not adversely affect existing features of the software. It is crucial for maintaining software quality and user satisfaction over time, especially as new functionalities are added or existing ones are modified. This testing is typically performed after changes such as enhancements, patches, configuration changes, or other system maintenance activities to confirm that the product continues to perform as intended. It's like a safety net for your app's functionality. Then comes smoke testing. Smoke testing, often regarded as sanity testing or build verification testing, is a high-level type of software testing conducted to ascertain whether a new software build is stable enough to proceed with further testing. The term originates from hardware testing, where a device would pass the initial test if it did not catch fire or smoke upon being turned on. In software development, smoke testing serves a similar preliminary screening purpose. It's like a quick pulse check to ensure your app is alive and kicking. Quick health check on your app's critical functionalities. The benefits of smoke testing include early detection of critical issues, saving time and resources by preventing the detailed testing of a flawed build, and improving the quality of the software by ensuring that basic functionalities work as expected before moving to more comprehensive testing stages. Moving on to cross-browser testing. Cross-browser testing is a type of testing that ensures a website or web application functions correctly across different web browsers. It is crucial due to the variety of browsers available, such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge, each with its rendering engine and interpretation of web standards. This testing ensures that a web application offers a consistent experience for all users, regardless of the browser they choose to use. The process involves checking the compatibility of web applications with different browsers and includes validating HTML, CSS, scripting languages, and other web technologies. Cross-browser testing is not only about ensuring that a web page displays correctly, it also involves verifying that all functionality works as intended across browser platforms. It's like a universal translator for your app, making sure it speaks the same language no matter the browser. Lastly, we have responsive testing, which is all about making sure your app looks good and works well on any screen size. Responsive testing is the process of ensuring that a website or web application provides an optimal viewing and interaction experience across a wide range of devices, from desktop computers to mobile phones and tablets. This type of testing checks that the website's layout, content, images, and overall functionality adjust smoothly to different screen sizes, resolutions, and orientations. It's like a fashion stylist for your app, ensuring it looks its best, no matter the platform. So there we have it. 5 different types of UI tests, each with a unique role in ensuring your application's functionality, compatibility, and overall look and feel. Knowing these tests is key to a robust testing strategy. Now let's move on to best practices. Adopting the best practices in UI test automation is crucial for achieving the desired outcomes. Let's proceed. Your first step is to prioritize which tests to automate. This could be based on their importance or how frequently they are run. Next, focus on maintaining your scripts. Make sure they're clean, readable, and reusable for future testing. This will save you a lot of time and effort in the long run. Choosing the right tools is another essential step. The tools should match not only your application's needs, but also the skills and capabilities of your team. There's no one-size-fits-all here, so take your time to evaluate and select the best fit. Implementing these practices can significantly improve the quality of your software and the effectiveness of your testing processes. Prioritize tests based on business impact. Focus on automating tests that cover critical functionalities and user paths that directly impact your business's bottom line. Prioritization ensures that you safeguard the most important aspects of your application from regressions and bugs. Integration with your CI/CD pipeline is another key practice. A CI/CD pipeline is an automated process in software development that enables code changes to be automatically built, tested, and deployed. CI stands for continuous integration, where developers frequently merge code changes into a shared repository. Each merge triggers an automated build and test sequence, ensuring the new code integrates seamlessly with the existing code base and identifying issues early. CD stands for continuous delivery or continuous deployment, which extends CI by automatically deploying all code changes to a testing or staging environment after the build stage. Continuous deployment goes a step further by automatically deploying every change that passes through the pipeline to production, eliminating manual steps in the deployment process. By doing this, you can have a continuous feedback loop, which helps in catching and fixing issues early. Remember, the earlier you catch a bug, the cheaper it is to fix. Lastly, keep your tests updated, independent, and isolated. Just as your application evolves, so should your tests. Regularly updating your tests will ensure they continue to provide value as your application grows and changes. Design your tests so that they can run independently of each other and do not share state. Independent tests are less prone to cascading failures and can be run in parallel, reducing the total execution time. Use Page Object Model, POM. Implement the Page Object Model design pattern to create an abstraction layer between your test scripts and the web pages they interact with. This approach reduces code duplication and improves test maintenance by centralizing the representation of pages. Maintain a clear and consistent structure. Organize your test scripts and data logically. Use naming conventions, comments, and documentation to make your tests understandable and maintainable. A well-structured test suite is easier to debug, update, and expand. These best practices are not just steps to follow, but a mindset to adopt. They will guide you in your UI test automation journey, ensuring you get the most out of your testing efforts. Now let's look at some popular tools. Choosing the right tool for UI test automation can make a huge difference. There are several popular tools in the industry, each with its unique features and benefits. Let's delve into a few. First up, we have Selenium, a versatile open source framework that's highly favored for web application testing. It supports multiple programming languages and browsers, making it a flexible choice for diverse projects. Next, we have Cypress, a front-runner for those who prefer JavaScript. It offers fast, easy test creation and execution, with real-time reloading and automatic waiting, making test automation a breeze. Then there's Appium, a tool that's earned its stripes in the realm of mobile app testing. It supports both Android and iOS platforms and allows you to write tests in your favorite web development language. Fourthly, we have Test Complete. This tool offers a broad scope of testing, including desktop applications. Its record and replay feature makes creating automated tests straightforward, even for those without a programming background. Lastly, we have UFT, or Unified Functional Testing. This tool caters to more extensive testing needs, covering APIs, mobile, and web services. It's a great choice if you're looking for comprehensive test coverage. Each tool has its strengths, and the best one for you will depend on your specific needs and context. So take the time to explore and choose wisely. These tools are widely used in the industry. Now let's see some of them in action. Let's walk through some simple examples of UI test automation. To start, let's take a closer look into Selenium, a powerful tool for automating web browsers. Imagine you're testing a website and you want to verify its title. You'd write a script that opens the website, fetches the title, and then compares it with your expected title. It's as simple as that. Now let's switch gears and talk about Cypress, a front-runner in the JavaScript testing framework. Suppose you're tasked with checking if a web page loads correctly. You'd create a test that visits the page, waits for the page to load, and then verifies the URL. This ensures that your users are landing on the correct page every time they click on a link. But remember, these examples are just scratching the surface of what you can achieve with UI test automation. There are countless other scenarios you can automate and a variety of tools at your disposal to do so. The key is to understand your application, identify the tests that will provide the most value, and then choose the right tools to automate those tests. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg. Now let's wrap things up. UI test automation is a game changer for software development. We've covered the different types of UI tests, explored best practices, and touched upon popular tools. We've also seen examples of how to automate tests using Selenium and Cypress. Remember, the right strategy and tools can make all the difference. Please hit the like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and drop any questions or topics you'd like to see in the comments below. Happy testing!